Hey, what's up, y'all? This is Jesse from Handiwerx.com. Today we have a service call through our mobile app to fix a toilet repair in a commercial building in downtown Minneapolis. We're gonna need these bad boys. Let's go in and check it out. What's up, man? You said what? 80 cents?
Can I help you out for about 80 cents? I work day labor and they didn't send me out.
What you trying to do?
I'm trying to catch the train.
No, what you say you trying to help me out? What you?
Yeah, I work, man.
Hey, go ahead, take $6.
Can I help you out?
What you want to do?
I do any handiwork, man.
You do any handiwork?
Yeah.
You're a handyman?
Yeah.
Say what's going on to the world. We're going inside to do a handyman job right now here in downtown Minneapolis. We got to go fix the toilet.
You need some help?
You want to check it out?
Yeah.
It's all good.
I work for $10.
I just gave you 6. Have a good day, brother. Right on. Back at you. Well, looks like the elevator's out of order. Time to take the stairs. 4 floors going up. Alright, so problem is the water flow issue. They say that when they flush it, it fills up really slow. Well, that's pretty slow. Here's a question for all you other handymen out there. While you guys are out doing service work, do you charge the client while you're on a supply run? Do you charge for that time? Or is this something that you just add into the cost of doing business? Let me know what your guys' strategy is down below in the comment section. But for those of you out there who are watching this video who are not handymen and you're thinking, how do I know where this handyman is going? Do I know that he's going to the store? Well, that's one of the benefits of using our mobile app. As a homeowner, there's got to be a certain level of trust with the person who's working on your most valuable asset. And so for those of you out there who are using the Handiwerx app for all your home repairs, if you click on an active job that is in progress and you go to the job card, and at the top of that page you'll see that the technician's GPS location will automatically show. So you can track your technician in real time while they're on your dime. Is replace the fill valve. Let's try that. All right, so in the process of this, we found that this is leaking. So we're going to go ahead and fix that as well. Oh yeah, it's flowing now. As you can see, I'm adjusting this down because our flow without stopping, and we have to be sure to pay attention to this fill line right here. We need the water to stop. So we need the water to stop right about that fill line. Building code says you need an inch air gap between the water line and the top of this drain and the top of this overfill. So as you can see, our water stopped right at the line. I'm gonna go ahead and adjust this down just a little bit further, and that's it. And that's how you troubleshoot a toilet. So now that we're done with that job, we're gonna open up our mobile app and we're gonna punch out. So now the materials that I use in this job, these are all stock materials that are pre-programmed into our system. And now when I go to punch out from this job, I need to make sure that I supply the customer a photo or a video of the repair that was just completed. And so I'm going to put a video on this one. And if you want to check out that video, check out our Instagram. It'll show you both the before and the after. And immediately after I input all the information, the customer is going to get an invoice directly to their email, and the transaction is complete. All right, y'all. Well, that's a wrap.